CSSE.
Okay, good morning, everybody. It is now Friday. We made it. All right, so a couple things here. Number one, I'm already in and out of natural gas. Had an HF1, HF2 overlay buy, and now we literally just bought about a minute or so ago, we bought the E-mini S&P. So I'm going to give you a target on this ES. The buy was at that yellow line there. Okay, we're going to look at a target up here of 41.59 and a half. 41.59 and a half is going to be our profit target. And this is actually an HF1 buy. Go ahead and we'll mark that. HF1 buy. Target 41.59 and a half. Put an alert up there. We'll watch for a reversal down here at 41.41. Take a look at the mini Russell, which is really one of my favorites. I do see an entry here at 1804. And I'm going to go ahead and put an alert up there to remind me if it does come up to 1804. I do want to buy this Russell. All right, 1804 in the mini Russell. All right, I'm going to skip on the ES, but I am going to take the mini Russell. I don't want to have two indices on at the same time. So I'm just going to try to manage RTY today. Let's see. All right, so I'm also in GDST, and we are in an HF1 buy right now, JDST, HF1 buy. Our entry. Okay, that is my target number one. Target number one is going to be at 570. We also have some higher at 578. Nope, 579. 582. So we do have some clusters on our targets up here. So may get up to about 80. So keep an eye on JDST. Good morning, Glenn. ACWI. You want to look at ACWI. All right. So we have somebody who wants to look at ACWI. Okay, let me get this. RTY just triggered a buy. So I want to go ahead and I want to buy this RTY, which is going to be your mini Russell. All right, I am long on the mini Russell.
MPAA, ACER, NINE,
All right, so we're in now the mini Russell. Let's mark our entry. Yellow lines are my entry. And this is an HF2 buy.
CMCT.
Target's going to bring me up to 1809. It's going to be my profit target, 1809. We'll go ahead and we'll put an alert up there. I need to reverse. We'll reverse down here at 1790, 1794.
Reverse sell.
That again, 1794. All right, there we go. All right. I will get out and go short if we come down to 1794 target. Target once again is going to be 1809 on this mini Russell. All right, let's see what else. JDST, very quiet. Still long JDST. So I am long a mini Russell. I am long JDST on the stock side. All right, Ken, let's look at your ACWI. Too pricey for me, but I'll look at it. All right, I could see ACWI going up to this morning. At least 92.20. $92.22. Well, yeah, we're getting a little bit of clustering up here. $92.25. All right, there's three levels there for you for your ACWI. 20, 22, 25. But that's too pricey for a stock. I like to trade stocks below $10. But if you do have a stock that y'all would like to look at, let me know, let Glenn know. I can, if I'm not watching something, I can go ahead and look at it for you and just let you know what my tools are showing. See if we have any setups. I do have some setups on that ACWI. Looks like it wants to go higher actually. So it looks pretty decent. Let's see if you have an activity. Yeah, it's pretty quiet. You're probably gonna get some action after the opening. I mean, it's really quiet. Got a little bit of buying down here at 92 even. I don't see anything on the upside to stop it. So yeah, you may get up to that 22, 25. All right, see, my JDST is real quiet as well. JDST is not doing a whole lot. So I have to wait on JDST here to after the open. It looks like things are going to be pretty quiet here until the opening bell. Really, really quiet. Let's take a look at some of this other MGRX.
ARAV.
Definitely see MGRX going a little bit higher here. NBY was another one that popped up on the radar. And not too excited about NBY. NBY is a pharmaceutical.
BCTX.
No, again. GMDA. GMTA, I think you could see going higher today. Let's see. I'd like to get that up to at least 181. $180, somewhere up here. Or possible entry. We traded a little bit of AUGX the other day, nothing there. BBAI. See anything on BBAI? DUST has been popping up on the radar this morning. 3-cent spread on bid ask. Penny spread now, so it's not bad. 218,
GP.
218,000 on volume. Would like to see that a little bit higher. I do have a few HF1 buys on DUST. And I think I'm going to let DUST go. I don't want to jump in the DUST.
CYTO.
But I mean, you have some good buying in here. Could see definitely go higher. But I'm just not going to trade DUST this morning. All right, let's check on our mini Russell. I am along the mini Russell. I did have a buy on the E-mini, so we'll check on both. All right, still on the mini Russell, target 1809. I did have a buy on the E-mini S&P. I did not take that, but we'll look at it. Nice buy on the E-mini S&P. That was an HF1 buy too. That was an HF1 buy right there on the ES. 41.59.5 is its target. I want to keep an eye on gold. I'm looking at gold. I can get gold up to 2004. I'd be interested in buying it at 2004. I'm going to put a little alert there. 2004. Probably end up buying some gold up here at 2004.
MYTE.
See if this mini Russell's still in. Getting closer to my target on the mini Russell. E-mini S&P is also getting close to its target.
MYTE. NMTC.
Getting real close. Almost there on the mini Russell.
OBLG.
Already had a trade on natural gas this morning. That was a buy.
CB traded Z.
Trade natural gas. That was my buy entry on natural gas. Had two patterns, H-shift 1, H-shift 2, setting up for a buy, hit my target already. Entry was a yellow line, target's the red. I don't have anything else on natural gas. Nothing on crude. I'm waiting for entry on gold around 2004. All right. Opening bell's coming up here in about 2 minutes. Watching my JDST. I'm in JDST at 570. Look at JDST. I bought it at 570. We're at 565. A little bit against me.
VYNE. HUSA.
Expecting pretty quiet opening. Let's see what happens. Could be about 50 to 100, somewhere in that area, probably.
STOK. Dear Ain.
Down sub 40.
TTSH.
Quiet opening.
EARN.
HUSA. KALV. RETL. SEAT.
ROOT,
JDST finally starting to move.
KRBP, TRHC, OBLG, EVAX, COSM,
JOAN. GRPH. UEIC. NOTV. RMBL. RAIN. CSTE. KZIA. DSGN.
There goes JDST.
PESI.
Now we're talking.
SHIP.
LRMR,
Get going.
BIVI, DSGN,
INZY. LE. RSVY.
570.
DAN,
INZY. KORU.
INVL,
577.
EARN, HIBS,
KORU. EPSN. DAPP.
HIBS definitely was on the
ACER,
radar.
MYTE,
CFRX.
MYTE, PSCE, EYPT,
Definitely see that.
KALV.
MARK, ALXO,
Yeah, I think we just got triggered by the gold.
NOTV,
BTTX.
CMPS,
VTCM. EMBK.
CONN, EYPT,
All right, buying some gold.
BITQ,
PVBC. INZY.
Look at gold.
CRBP, ALXO,
INZY.
This is a pairing pattern buy on gold.
PXJ.
EYPT, NMTC,
UEIC. NINE.
DAN,
PSCE. CMLS.
WEBL, COSM,
PXJ.
ALXO,
EPV.
NOTV,
All right, so my first target on gold, which would probably get out at 220.08.
DAN, BWEN,
is going to be my profit target.
CABA, APEI,
CAAS.
BWEN,
IBIO.
WEBL,
INVE.
Now, if gold starts coming down around
TRHC.
1996, I'm going to want to get out of that.
PYXS, BWEN,
All right,
UIHC.
let's go back. I need to really manage this JDST. It's all over the place.
ALXO, DTC, PYXS, CUV,
Oh, that's not holding this morning.
ACHV.
All right, still on JDST, just really, really quiet. I pulled back on my RTL, my mini Russell. Let's look at
HIBS,
NETI.
Dow's
NOTV,
down 18.
SILX.
Put some pressure on
COSM,
my
DSGN.
on my mini Russell.
BWEN, HIBS,
PVBC,
EYPT, CSSE,
PVBC,
I'll get out at 79.
CUV,
I'll reverse at 79.
ALXO.
That's it.
NETI,
Right now, we're still long on the Russell.
EYPT.
Yes is check on ES. I think ES doing a little bit better. Yeah, ES is still on. Yes, they both got really close to target. Look at that. So
CAAS,
close. Let's give it time.
APEI, EVAX,
Give
BEM,
it time.
CEI, MPAA,
HIBS,
DTC,
CMPS,
All right, mini NASDAQ. Let's look at mini NASDAQ.
NOTV,
I
BEM,
don't see anything on mini NASDAQ right now. Looks pretty quiet.
PTPI, DSGN,
SHIP,
Push higher, it looks like, right? A little buying coming in.
TLYS, CARE-BP, PXJ,
I gotta keep it on this JDST. Let's see what JDST's done. JDST. All right, still hanging in there.
NINE,
CMLS,
SRTS,
All right, so we have a 5-minute chart down here on the bottom left. This is the 1-minute chart in the middle.
PTPI,
That was right at this
NINE,
line.
PSCE,
The
WISA,
buy.
CARE-BP,
I am down. I am still down on this trade. Time
PTPI,
sells.
LRMR,
You will
KORU,
obviously see looking over
EPV,
here.
EYPT,
Watch the
NETI,
book, but that's why I like to watch time and sales. You can't spoof time and sales. And when I say spoof, for those that may not be familiar with that term, that means a lot of times you get a buyer put out a fake
PTPI,
huge size, and
VBIV,
then they remove it right away.
TTSH, EYPT,
It's just to fake people out.
NOTV, PTPI,
INVE,
RPTX,
Yeah, I want to keep an eye on this RTY because
EYPT,
I may end up reversing on this RTY.
URGN,
It's getting close to hitting so close to hitting target, and now I'm getting close to reversing.
BTCM, EYPT,
GRPN,
ACHV,
1794 is going to be the reversal. Even though 1794.2. Profit target hit.
PTPI,
Okay, gold hit profit target. Let's get out of gold.
RAIN,
EYPT,
CSSE,
Let's look at our gold. We did hit
USAU,
gold.
RETL,
All right, so we hit our target on gold, out of gold.
APEI,
UIHC,
ROOT,
HIBS, EIVI,
SKYT,
Reverse sell. All right, that's going to be reverse sell on the mini Russell. I'm going to reverse my to short.
NINE.
ROOT. EPV.
Wow, so close to hitting target too. That's a shame. Okay, so I'm short mini Russell.
EPSN. SFT. DAPP. MARK. PVBC.
Or was that a false? You know what? That may have been a false. I don't think that was a true. I don't think. Well, it doesn't matter because I got out.
PTPI. UBX. INZY. BYRN.
RETL.
PTPI.
RETL.
INZY.
PVBC.
EYPT. CABA.
Let me open this up. I don't think it hit it. Let's see.
TLYS.
1790. Oh, that's 1794.
TZOO.
No, it does show it hit it. It shows it hit it right. That was the exact low, 1794.
DTC.
All right. That is correct. All right.
ACHV.
So we're short the mini Russell now.
EYPT. PTPI. TRVI. EYPT.
BEM. DAPP. OBLG. MARK.
ALXO. DSGN.
NETI.
Okay, this reverse short on the mini Russells on HF1.
NETI.
ACHV.
IBIO.
Target now is going to be 1789. Our
UBX.
new profit
NETI.
target.
PYXS. BEM.
SIEN. WVE. JDST, DSGN,
PYXS, KORU, SCPH,
JOAN, ACHV, JDST, UIHC, EIVI.
All right, short RQY target
CKPT,
17.
BYR,
We're out of our gold. ES is still long. E-mini is still long. Look at that. I am not in the E-mini. I'm only in the mini Russell. Well, that seems to be hanging in there a little bit better than the mini Russell.
SILX,
I don't have anything on natural gas. Okay, I want to keep an eye on JDST.
SEAT,
Move in my favor.
VYNE, BYRN, INZY, VBIV, EVAX.
All right, JDST.
BYRN,
Like JDST, one of our
VYNE,
targets. Still
KORU,
holding long. Still have a 79 and an 82.
ENFN, KORU,
RPTX.
PTPI, we had a pretty good day the other day in PTPI. Let's look at PTPI.
EVCM.
And right now it looks like PTPI wants to come down.
CUV, BTCM, WEBL, TTSH, VYNE, RAIN,
All my patterns are
DSGN.
pointing,
VITQ,
well, yeah, they're all pointing south right now on PTPI. So definitely wouldn't want to touch that. VYNE is popping up on my radar. VYNE.
NOTV, WEBL,
Yeah, I can see VYNE. What is VYNE? VYNE. That's a therapeutics. Okay. Healthcare.
JOAN,
132,000 on the
WVE,
volume. I don't like that. 5 cent spread. Stay away.
CAD,
Reverse sell.
CRBP,
That could do something. That was an old alert. I don't have anything on gold.
KORU,
NINE, JDST, RDHL, GHL, NEGG, JDST,
LE,
There's new high on
SOL,
GDSP.
WSO. B.
DUST,
Still long JDSP.
DTC, JDST, DUST,
SILX,
NOTV,
PVBC,
CRBP,
Get up to my
CKPT,
79 target on
ALXO,
JDST, hit 79. Next target up, 82, I believe it was.
DUST, JDST,
82 is my next target.
VITQ, TLYS,
Once again, this was
KALV,
HF1 buy.
KORU, CEI,
Like the buying in here. Look at that 82. Look at my
SILX,
target 82. Look at that sell sign up
PTPI,
there coming in.
KORU,
Now let's just see what happens here. If we can hit 82 and absorb these sellers, it's going to be good. But I'm going to watch it real close because that is probably where I'm probably going to end up getting out of.
CRBP,
USAU,
You know,
DUST, PTPI, JDST,
there we go. Come on, JDST. I like to see us absorb these sellers in here. See what it does. There's 81.
JDST,
DAPP,
$81 bid, 82 ask.
EVCM,
SILX, VITQ,
ALXO, UBX, NOTV,
ARVL,
Just hang it in here. Come on,
SKYT,
let's get through
NOTV,
here. What are we gonna do? Watching to see if we can break through to that third level. Anyone
LE.
bid?
ENFN,
Anyone bid? 82 ask. Come on, let's go. There's
ALXO,
82. There's 83. All right, let's see if we can't run. If we can't run through here, I'm going to go ahead and take my profits.
ALXO, JDST, EVAX,
New high JDST. There's 84.
BYRN, ALXO,
RMBL,
EYPT,
I'm going to go ahead and get out, take my profit. I'm out of JDST.
EYPT,
Okay, so the only thing I'm still in right now is I'm short this
CMLS,
Russell.
ATNF,
Sold it at the yellow line. I have a profit target sitting down here. Let me draw. Let's just draw a line down there so we can see that.
WSO, B,
ENFN, KORU, GRPN,
EYPT,
ARVL,
DTC,
SOL, TUSK,
All right, that's my target on the mini Russell.
LRMR, PXJ,
EYPT,
ARVL, TUSK, GRPN,
EYPT, HIBS,
SILX, ARVL,
EYPT,
ARVL,
JDST,
Now, we may
KORN,
have an HF1 short
MARK.
coming off the ES. ES may end up. I did not
EYPT,
get in the ES, but I may take this ES short. E-mini S&P. Watching it down here at 41.41.
ARVL, WEBL,
HIBS,
Nothing on the mini NASDAQ. Already traded gold, nothing on natural gas.
TELA, EVAX,
PTPI,
UBX, DTC,
Still long,
GMBL,
hanging in the RTY, just bouncing around. I won't take any additional trades after this. If I get stopped out of the mini Russell.
KALV,
JDST, let's check and see what that looks like. JDST, what's JDST? Yeah, it's pretty much where we got out.
MARK,
That's right.
KALV,
SIEN,
GMBL,
EVAX,
EYPT, you know what? EYPT
KALV, MARK,
had some pretty good action the other day. Let's look at that. EYPT,
EYPT,
697,000 on the volume. I'll see. I mean, everything's just going up. I don't have any entries at this point. Did earlier, but not now.
EYPT, BTTX,
SIE
RSVR, GMBL,
on the radar the other day, but it was kind of a slow mover. Let's look at SIEN. I don't like volume, just
VYNE,
not there.
WEBL,
6,000. I don't like that. MGRX 40 mil already on that. Don't see anything there going up.
VYNE, HIBS, TRVI,
Okay, and I'm
WEBL,
gonna take it off my radar. I don't like it anymore.
ATNF,
GMDA.
INVE, GRPN, GMBL,
TRVI,
GM's gonna have some potential later. So
TUSK.
watching that. All right, folks. You know what, man? Time goes by fast. We're already sitting at the top of the hour. So the only thing I have on right now is I am short my
TUSK.
mini Russell. Slowly working
EYPT,
its way down again, so that's good.
TRVI,
I may reverse
RSVR.
on the E-mini S&P. For those that have questions, you can always get a hold of me via my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. Check out my videos. Got a lot of videos that go over a little bit more details
UFI,
from the patterns I use,
WEBL,
and also
ENFN,
Einstein that
TUSK,
provides me with
RAIN.
these profit targets that you see on the horizontal lines. And if you have any specific questions that you don't find on the website or on YouTube, then you can go ahead and contact me
APEI.
via the website.
KORU,
All right, everybody have a
NNVC.
good weekend. Be safe, and hopefully we'll see you back first thing Monday morning. Take care.